Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add page border to this particular Microsoft Word document. So we want to add a page border, all pages except cover page. If you notice right here, should have 3 pages. Alright, if you notice right here, this itself is the cover page and this is the rest of the page. So I wanted to put the page border on it, but not on the cover page right here. A lot of persons struggle how to get that particular thing. We're going to come right up here, click on design. Now when you click on design, definitely what will happen when you click right here on design, right, take time and click on it. Now you come all the way here. If you notice it's a border right here, so if I click on the border, notice it take me right down here. Alright, so definitely I can come right down here, that said none, and click, and I can give me any one of these pretty border right here. I can actually scroll up with the mouse. I can actually use the touchpad just the same. Right, scroll up. So we're going to select this one. You notice how this stick, if you wanted to trim it down, come right here. You take your time and click. You notice, take time, click, it is 19, 20, 13. Notice how it is now. Alright, so I want to come right here. That's it. Whole document and click. You notice the selection. Alright, except the first page. You notice, select right here. All except the first page. But if I click on this, then you want to click on the OK. If you notice, this is our cover page. Notice no border, but if you notice on the rest of pages, notice your border. So this is how you add border to the document right here without put it on the cover page. So very important right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.